In this tutorial, we will cover how to create a project. You will need a project to create workflows, datasets, and dashboards. Projects are a good way to organize your workflows and segment the work being done on a machine. Projects are also a good way to implement more granular access control. There are two ways to create a project in Fire Insights. The first is using the Create Project button here on the right side of the home page, and the second is within the projects page itself. We can now create a project using the New Project button in the top right of the projects page here. We have two options: to import a project or to create an empty project. In this tutorial, we will create an empty project. We now just need two pieces of information: the name of the project and a description of what the project will contain. We can see that we are not allowed to use spaces and these special characters here. The machine will warn you before allowing you to create a project if your name does not meet the requirements. We can also add a description to help others who are also using this machine better understand what the project will contain. Now we have created the project. If we now go back to the projects page, we can see that now our example project shows up in the list here. If we go to the home page, it will also show up under the My Projects pane. Thank you for listening.